Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites, game closed and file access granted. Navigate to the Minecraft/saves folder and find the world you want. Once located, copy the entire world folder, include level, DAT and region files, and paste it in a safe location, for example, a backups folder on the same drive or an external drive. Make sure the name includes a date so you can distinguish versions. This prevents accidental overwrite and makes it obvious which. Next, you verify the backup works by testing it locally. Once done, rename the backup folder to something unique and then open Minecraft. Use single player and create a temporary new world, then click Open Folder to access its files. Close Minecraft, replace the temp world files with your backup files, and then relaunch the game. If it loads and your builds are intact, the backup is valid. Make sure to check chunks, inventories, and important redstone mechanisms for consistency. To restore, close Minecraft and replace the corrupted world folder with the backup copy. Keep the exact original folder name so saves recognize it. Once done, ensure file permissions and ownership match your user account so Minecraft can read and write saves. After you open the world and confirm success, immediately create an additional backup to record the restored state. If something goes wrong, common fix, check level, DAT conversion errors or region file corruption. Restore an earlier dated copy and use region fixer tools.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.